Hey DIYers, DIY Dad here, and today we're going to turbocharge our outdoor cleanup game with two incredible tools from HeartlandAmerica.com, the Sunjoe Jet Blower and the Ultra Broom V-Sweep. Let's get ready to blast away leaves and tidy up like never before. First up, let's talk about the Sunjoe Jet Blower. This durable leaf blower is not just lightweight, it's lightweight and powerful. Clocking in at a mere 4 pounds, it's a breeze to handle. This cordless leaf blower comes with a 24-volt battery and charger. This blower is great for blasting away leaves, dirt, debris, or even light snow. Ready to revolutionize your outdoor cleanup routine? Head over to HeartlandAmerica.com and grab the Sunjoe 24-volt jet blower with SKU number 62856 and the Ultra Broom V-Sweep SKU number 63153. Trust me folks, your yard and driveway will appreciate it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy DIYing!